Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy XDMagelic. You got Yoshi right here next to me. We got Junior and we got Melvin sitting on the couch just looking at his Cosmo Blazers. He wants to open them so badly. Well, so here we got, I'm splurging my money. I don't care. I bought my fourth box. Third box was off camera. You didn't see it. But yeah, I want that Dragosack.
I guess it's the third, what is it called? Third charm on camera.
Third time's the charm.
Yeah.
All right.
It's the lucky box.
It's the lucky box. So, without further ado,
you should do this side first.
This side. All right, I'll do that side.
Well, like I said, these are 4 packs. I'm saying it's gonna be the best one.
The box over here. I'm gonna do these packs real quick. First pack, check the sec.
Imagine first pack driver's side. You said I don't want to open the rest.
Alright, so we got...
Yeah, if we put Draggers on the first pack, we're not going to open the rest. No, I'm just playing.
We got Brotherhood of the Firefist Wolf. Mecha Fan Beast Black Falcon.
85 is mine.
Aurora Wing. Magnum Shield. Wheel of Prophecy. And a Mimic. And Melvin just ran his ass over here. Nigga, keep looking at your shits, please.
Did I give you like a playset of all of them already?
Nah, I ain't get a place for this one.
You're not going to use them. Whatever.
Yeah, I'm gonna use it.
Burner.
See that too.
Switch hitter. Bashibiju. Glass Show. Number 69. Stream. Doesn't matter, man. That number is still pretty weird to me. I know you don't go through all through the numbers, but man, number 69.
Oh, yeah.
How's that gay?
Oh, he said 16.
Parsec. Grunix.
Remember you got dirty mind.
Mind Drain. Starfish. Go Gigas. Who cake?
$10 card.
$10 right there.
$10 really?
Yeah.
Look at that.
Just put it right there.
How to look at it?
You got me some who cakes. Got me some.
I put one and you put 2 of them, man.
My third one.
Third one?
Remember Sneak Peek?
Oh, yeah.
Yo, he's got his head with his box. About 4 of them already.
So we're going back to locals on Friday.
I'm going back now. I'm going to
Rose Belt. That's a short print.
Oh, I got that card.
Eagle Shark. Fire Brothers Explode. Dodo Tango.
Woo! One of the best cards in the set!
Oh, that's my fourth one.
Uh-oh.
Nothing.
Oh, I need that card too.
That pack was so worth it.
The best rare.
One of the the
How many do you have of those?
That's my fourth one.
Or do you have? But you trade one though, right?
No, I haven't traded one of those yet.
Because I want to
Burner.
face it.
Magnum Shield. Fire Brothers Explode. Mermaid Abyssa Orca.
What was the 5 explode? That was the 5.
Another one.
Wow.
Now you got 2 ultimates.
They're all 2 ultimates, yep. Looks like that Ultra's gonna get traded.
Keep it here. Damn. Again?
What you pull, Omega? That's just like one of these ultras to pull. Trade bait. You already got the price of Mecha Face.
If you get the 5 secret.
Oh, you want Challenger. Right? RP Challenger.
Yeah. A little fairy.
We got that. Stop cheating. What you got?
Let me see.
Let me see.
We fucking up Junior? Are we fucking up Junior? Oh,
Oh, no.
Forget about that.
Now you got a play set. Cause the third one that you opened, he pulled it out. Now you got a play set.
And he ain't breaking. No, he didn't.
Don't worry. Last time you opened a secret early, you put a second secret.
Damn. No judgment, nothing. Damn.
I can still get another.
If you pull 2 secret once, you can do it again.
All the good hollow came out already.
I thought it was Surrender Reborn. I was getting ready to fuck up Junior already.
Short print.
Oh, that's the one. Oh yeah, that's the one.
They got my man here in the gate shit.
Eagle Shark.
He's mad.
Now I just want to go through this.
Now you just want to go through it.
Fix everything. Fix it for you. I got you, man.
My anger cannot allow me. It's not allowing me to open these packs.
Yeah, bring in the closer.
Make the spell. You make. Let's check.
Duck Fighter. It's the third one.
Wow.
And I got Yoke as my rare.
Man, you can about to make a third battery box already.
This nigga Melvin keeps running off of my cards. I'm gonna steal your bear. Watch. Fire Brothers Explode. Dodo Tengu. Falcon, Little Fairy, Harpy, Mecha.
Damn. Do we put out how many secrets in there? Is 3?
What?
One secret.
3. Oh, secret. 3
It's
supers.
8 in the
3 supers.
set.
3 supers.
No, it's like 5
supers.
supers.
Huh?
He's talking about in the box.
Ooh, got another one. Yay.
You need that? Oh, for the yeah, for the tag.
Nah, make him happy.
Yeah, no, I'm pretty happy.
Yay!
Well, you got $20 here. This
8.
This is like a 30. Because the 8 one is the
Yeah, oh,
ultra
yeah.
one.
That's
This is 15. So you look like you about to make your money back again.
Oh, big,
Big
whale.
whale.
That's my car. You ripped mine.
Rip it. Rip it on camera. Let's
Okay.
go.
Chill, I'll take it. No!
That's a big whale god for this world. Oh, he made it rain on me, bitch! I'm gonna fuck you up, alright? Yo, if you could only see my Facebook channel, my friend gave me a pack and I pulled out the mermail. I ripped that shit.
The
up.
whale mermail.
And it was ulti. And I ripped it up. I didn't give a shit. It's a fucking mermail.
Yeah, I was thinking of making like a fan page.
Hey,
of
you
Yugioh. Everything we do about Yugioh, like pictures and stuff.
Do a barrel roll.
Where's that?
Nothing, nigga.
That's all
Stop
five.
being so fucking jumpy. You get me fucking annoyed, piece of shit. I got all this shit to go through. It's like, yo, what the fuck?
These are the best ones.
Make me hit dragon too.
I'll laugh if I put one of each elemental dragon.
That guy did. Locals, somebody did.
Karunix, Dolt.
Wow. Another one.
That shit off my shoulder, please. Eagle Shark, Burner, Magnum Shield, Fireballs. Ooh!
Oh, we put one. Oh!
That's the easiest one of the older one.
Yeah, I see.
So what? So $10 card?
You should make
Still
the
a
deck.
$10
You should make the deck then. You got getting all the cards already.
I traded all of them.
Oh, you did? Oh.
I have one of each now, technically. I do.
The blaster you're not trading.
Hey, Blasting that, that's the best one.
Did he just open a pack and just put one?
I got that card too.
It just slipped right through my hands. What the fuck? Why are you putting that over there?
It's good. Show print, man. Put it over here then.
Dragon Connection, Fire Brothers Explode,
Did
Go
2 in 1
Tangle,
box?
Burner,
Oh.
nothing. So how many? What do I still have to go through? I got 2 supers,
What happened to the other?
an OT and an ultra.
We need one more ultra.
I need another ultra and I need a couple supers.
Oh, a lot of packs. I don't
You
know.
already have way through the
I can't believe that
Yeah.
you have a play set of these.
Shut up. Shut up, man.
Another one? Yeah, please, sir.
He said it.
All right, I'm not getting supers. Last time this happened, I pulled 2 secrets. Yo, each of those is a secret.
God.
That would be crazy.
Fire Formation Kaio, Little Fairy. What's that?
Again.
Eagle Shark.
Ooh. Oh my fucking
See that
God.
super?
That shitty fucking.
Don't whip it. Don't whip it. Don't whip it. Yes, it no! I could have kept it. Free card. I'm gonna pick it up.
Ripping
Yo,
cars out here.
they get mad.
Ripping cars over here, man.
Should never rip that super, man.
Can I rip that one then?
They should kill you.
You wanna
for
get
that?
that?
You wanna get punched in the
Box
face.
of
we're
Bizu,
ripping
Fire
cards.
Brothers Explode, Dodo Tengu, Mecha, Rhino, nothing.
I'm gonna run Rhino with Cyphers, man. Playing.
Yeah, he's actually good.
Yeah,
He, no, he
but-
gives, no, he's like a
He's like honest.
yeah. I will run him and the other one too. I want to play something to the graveyard after overlay.
Mind Drain, Parsect, Karunix, Mermail, nothing.
Nothing you can make him happy in a secret.
I'm telling you.
This nigga said those are the
I
4
took-
best packs.
I told him this is the best 4th pack. I'm saving it.
Imagine the worst. Oh, you
Redux,
bad.
King, Lashjaw,
You ain't gonna put no hollow.
Jewel.
I'm telling you, they all here.
Yo! They're all there.
I bet you they all there now.
They're all here. I'm still on Ultra. I'm still on 3 supers.
They all there, I'm telling you.
2 supers. Jewel, Rhino.
What I
Oh!
said! What I said! They all in that pack, I'm telling you.
Oh my god, that's hilarious.
They got
That's the
ask
what,
for that. They got
$30
ask for
car right there?
15, not 30. Hell no, 30? It's 15 now, right now.
Toy Wiz, yeah. Brotherhood, Burner, Little Fairy, Aurora Wing,
You see what I meant?
That's a playset.
See what I said? They're all
I'm trading
that
this.
fat.
I want this.
I have them all.
Oh, damn. Oh, I think I'd be trading.
Nigga, I can make 3 Battle Me boxer decks.
Yo, right now I'm making so many
Yo, so
cards.
far it's a hollow per Yoshi pack.
Yo, I'm getting everything so
2 out
far.
of 4.
Oh.
Actually, no, that's a good card right there. My nigga, read this shit.
I actually read it before. Somebody told me. The opponent controls
Yeah, let me see what's happening.
and then the someone.
1, 2, 3.
Here we
So heavy.
This is the 5th. Has to be the 5th super.
Another super?
Has to be the 5th super.
What super you want? Sombre.
That's what came out.
Huh? Yeah, like all.
Bent. It's a turkey too.
Oh, he dropped it. Good luck.
Dragons.
Check if it's
Let me
FC
see,
when it comes
man.
to
Stop
the
doing
red.
that.
They can't see it. You got hype. You got hype.
Oh wow, I'm due to super. I got gypped on a super.
Really?
Showing the camera that much.
Oh my bad. I got gypped on a super.
You did?
No.
You sure you got one pack?
You ripped one over here, remember?
I know. 1, 2, 3, 4.
They put it 5.
5 supers.
It's because I gave you 2 elemental. That's why.
He gave me Sega Star Sword.
So anyway, comment down below what you think about the pools. If there was great pools, anything, just comment down below. Like this video. It will help me a lot. And anything you want to say before?
Suck a dick.
Draco
Drag us up.
Draco Sack.
Drag us
You got
up.
a play sale of these, so.